Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Pura 70 Ultra, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So if you want to download the app not from the App Store, but from any other app which you've downloaded, all you have to do in order to allow it to it is to enter the settings, and here we have to scroll and tap on the security. Then let's scroll down and tap on more settings and find this option, install apps from external sources. Let's tap. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just find the app, tap on it and tap on the switcher. Your device will show you this information, which is basically a warning because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. All you have to do is to tap on enable, and as you can see, this switcher is active, and after getting back you can see that the browser is right now allowed to install some apps. Of course, it works the same with all other apps, and you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the browser is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.